Alright, Skoolie Nation! On today's episode, the humans remove the forward escape hatch from the roof of the Skoolie and replace it with a Maxxfan Deluxe. Stick around for the entire step-by-step process.
Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel, broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, tracking in geosynchronous orbit at 30.006 degrees north latitude. I am Logan 12. Before the humans can begin the interior phases of the build, the exterior needs to be adequately dried in, meaning there can be no water leaks. While the humans took steps to seal the roof of the bus, the old and worn-out forward escape hatch presented a clear and present danger. Therefore, it had to be dealt with immediately. The human female removed the hatch's screws using a drill with driver bit. Before prying the worn-out mounting flange and door loose with whatever she could get her hands on.
Hey, listen up, Skoolie Nation! The Killer Skoolie team has a little website. There you'll find ways to support the humans with this project. You can also find photos of the bus, conversion articles, and other helpful information. Check it out at killerskoolie.com and let us know how we can better serve you, the Skoolie Nation.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. After that, she prepared the surfaces surrounding the access hole by cleaning away old caulk with first the scraper, and then using the grinder with a large wire brush attached. The access hole that remained after the escape hatch apparatus was removed measured roughly 24 inches by 24 inches. Because the access hole required for the new fan was a mere 14 inches by 14 inches, the human female got to work fabricating a sheet metal covering for the remainder. She used the scrap from one of our large window cutouts from the Killer Skoolie Windows video and cut it to fit between the rub rails of the roof of the bus. That's approximately 27 inches. After that, she determined its center point and traced out the 14-inch by 14-inch pattern with a Sharpie. Once she knew where to cut, she got right to it. After making sure that the new covering with cutout fit into place, she applied thin butyl tape along its underside edges before permanently affixing it with self-sealing, self-drilling metal screws. Uh-oh, time for the tip. Because of the curvature of the roof, the human female employed a strategy using different sizes of butyl tape to secure the fan's mounting flange. Around the access hole's fore and aft edges, she used thin butyl tape. At its corners and along its starboard and port edges, she used thick butyl tape. The resulting differences in thickness seemed to do a good job of safely leveling the surface so that the fan's mounting flange could be secured to a somewhat level surface. Once her butyl tape sculpture was in place, she dropped the mounting flange into the hole. Make sure the metal tabs are up and showing on the driver's and passenger side of the hull respectively. Instead of using the flange mounting screws that came with the fan, the humans decided the self-sealing, self-drilling metal screws that have been a mainstay of this project were a better fit, and proceeded to secure the flange with them instead. Try not to over-tighten.
Nation. The humans chose to fill the access hole with the Maxxfan Deluxe. It comes highly recommended from other members of the Skoolie world for its performance and quiet nature. The humans prefer manual operation, but there are other models to choose from. There's a link in the description of this video so you can check it out and choose the model that's right for you.
With that done, it was time to finally mount the fan. The fan drops in from the top, Make sure the vent is facing the rear of the Skoolie. Cranking the rain guard up exposes the screw holes that line up with the metal tabs on the mounting flange. Use the enclosed screws and insert. After that, the human female applied silicone caulk to everything. Some of the leftover tropical will be used to cover the patch. The fan will be wired in during the interior wiring phase, and the fan's interior trim ring will be cut to size and installed after the spray foam and sealing go up. What's coming up next time, Ed?
The humans are still fooling around with wiring and floor plans. You do not want to miss any of that, so click that subscribe button right now and activate notifications so you never miss an episode. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a friendly comment for us in the comments section so that we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey, Ed.
What's up, Logan 12?
You know, I got myself a ceiling fan the other day.
Really? I thought you were a little cramped in there.
Yeah, but she just stood there applauding, saying she loved how smooth the orbital command center ceiling is. Get it? A fan of the ceiling. Killer Skoolie.